I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials. Pick a server form factor and storage layout so you can scale later. Once chosen, install drives and enable RAID or ZFS to protect data. This is why redundancy matters. Make sure the machine has a static IP or dynamic DNS and forward ports on your router for HTTPS and file protocols. Finally, install a lightweight Linux distro and enable SSH so you can run scripts and secure the system remotely. You now install the cloud application and its dependencies. Choose based on features and client apps. For example, deploy Nextcloud with a web server, PHP, and MariaDB so you have calendars and sync clients. Once installed, create a dedicated database user and tune PHP and database settings for larger files. Next, obtain a TLS certificate from Let's Encrypt and configure automatic renewal so traffic is always encrypted. Make sure to enable firewall rules and fail to ban to reduce attack surface. You finish by automating backups and locks. Schedule snapshots and push encrypted backups offsite or to another VPS so recovery is quick. Once done, enforce strong authentication. Enable two-factor, require strong passwords, and use SSH keys for admin access, because prevention beats recovery. Make monitoring and alerts part of your routine so you catch capacity or intrusion early. If something breaks, a common fix is to check logs, free disk space, and restart services. That single step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.